The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. After lifting the glove box, unclip both sides of the stops and lower the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Typically, there would be 2 screws you would have to uninstall in order to get to the filter housing door, but this model did not have them. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AQ1227C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.